It's the Metal Militia dog, Pud, the GoPro Moto dog. Gonna do a sit down right here and talk to all you folks out there. Now, she had a previous video out here, and I think this one looks better, be honest with you. Don't you think? What do you think there, buddy? Yeah? You on a GoPro? GoPro? Look up here, buddy. Hey, up here. Yep, Hood in the Metal Militia hat. It's ready to rock it on. So, you got your own personal video there, buddy, for Halloween. Go back over there. Take a sit down right there. You can see her Metal Militia hat right here, buddy. Oh yeah, she's rocking it. She's about ready to take off. And I think that's all for Pud. Little Pud here, right here. Take a seat there, buddy. Take a seat. One more shot. One more shot there, bro. Yep. Rocking it. Rocking out, man. Yeah, the Metal Militia dog. And we'll call it good with the Metal Militia dog. Yeah.